Previously, on Beyond the Tracks, we joined new guard George on his first day on the job. And it was all go as we said hello to the new TSO. And the summer diesel gala was in full swing with the star attraction, the Class 73. So join us once again as we go Beyond the Tracks. It's September, and the heat waves have subsided, and the summer season has drawn to a close. But that doesn't mean that it's still not busy here at the EVR, as there's always something going on. There's plenty of steam trains, coach parties, and dining experiences happening throughout the month. And the biggest dining experience of the year is a Taste of Fawlty Towers dining experience with a troupe of actors direct from the West End. Look who's back! It's new guard George. Are you looking forward to this evening's entertainment?
I reckon it'll be a fantastic night. From what I've heard, the earlier performance went down a treat, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. You know, it should be a pretty good evening, I think, with three-course meal, I think it is, and the show. I think they're really going to enjoy it.
With everything going wrong around you, do you reckon it'll go faulty for you as well?
I think I'll remain professional throughout. Don't you worry about that.
Basil, Sybil and Manuel are on hand to make sure everything runs smoothly. Maybe not so much. I don't think this service is up to our usual standard. But hey, what could possibly go wrong? Sorry, I mean faulty.
Oh, that's hilarious!
Oh, gracias. You know, you're always sort of learning your ropes, if you like, you know, your timings and whatnot. But the food went down very well. It was all ready and on time, so credit to Sam and the team. It's a case of turning it back round and doing it all over again, really.
We'll put you on 7. Is that all right? Perfect. Lovely.
Oh, you're taking your wig for a walk. I do that with mine. I go.
Honestly, it's the plebs and the pros tonight. It really is.
What are you doing? Basil! Manuel!
No, this is not Manuel Camp. This is it's all ending.
Sorry, it's all right, it's all fine. What begins with come here and ends with am? I don't know. Come here. Ow! It's all your fault! Oh! She pushed me! Yes, we're going to take it. Now's the time, now's the moment. And as for you, Manuel, you're fired! Hey. Fired! Fired!
That was excellent. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks a lot. Good night.
That was brilliant. That was really good fun, that. Really impressed by the acting.
Fantastic, thank you. I always love an evening train, you know, and it's very atmospheric and with all the lights on and the sunset down the valley and the alcohol seems to flow, you know, it's quite good.
Brilliant, thank you very much, yeah. Fantastic.
Sam, how do you think this evening went?
I think that went really, really well. Everybody seemed to really enjoy it, loads of positive feedback, and everybody had a good time and a good laugh. So yeah, really well done.
As the sun sets on another successful event and normal service has been restored, Torquay has left the tracks. Sunday the 18th of September, and it's turned into a hidden special occasion. Because the Derby Lightweight trailer car is undergoing test after a long restoration. And it's created quite the commotion over on Platform 3 as carriage and wagon manager Ben Field proudly drives it up to the platform. The last time this vehicle was driven by its own power was before Ben was even born. This vehicle and its power car partner are the oldest preserved British Rail DMUs, and it was made locally in Derby. Built in 1954, and the EVR is proud to say that it's home to all 3 remaining Derby Lightweight units. It's been a long and protracted restoration for this unit, following its use as the ultrasonic test train for British Rail. It went under an extensive asbestos stripping over 20 years ago, leaving the interior completely bare. Originally used with the yellow diamond coupling schematic, it's now been converted to the more generic blue square. This enables it to be tested today with Bubble Car 55034 providing the power. This is the perfect opportunity for us to catch up with vehicle restorer Dave Clark.
Well, good afternoon everybody, and welcome to the Derby Lightweight Preservation Group's first vehicle to actually move, and now it's under test, so we'll go inside and have a further look, shall we? Here we are in the first class saloon, and as you can see, completely new interior, and that's taken a lot of work by one particular member, Chris Lings, and he's done most of the interior work and I've installed the seats. Now, as we're testing, if we come forward and look into the cab, you begin to see there the guts of the machine. So you've got power controller on the left, gearbox controller on the right, and on the far right is the brake valve. We're using all these schematics we've got to go through for our testing, and we look forward to actually putting it into traffic in the not too distant future. Thank you.
But of course, the trailer car is only one half of this unit. Tucked away in the maintenance facility at Worksworth Yard is the power car. It's jacked up, ready for extensive work to be completed on the undercarriage components. The 2 AEC engines, gearboxes and file drives are removed, ready for an extensive overhaul. This enables the team to complete the same wiring conversion for this coach too. There's still extensive work ongoing to the interior, but once this is completed, the pair of units will be the jewel in the railway's crown. It's the 22nd of September, and that means it's Derbyshire Day. And what better way to celebrate than with a good cup of Derbyshire tea? Local historian and paranormal investigator Richard Felix has attended the railway today to not only promote Derbyshire tea, but to talk about some plans he's got up his sleeve.
It's Derbyshire Day, and I'm at the Ecclesbourne Railway in Wirksworth, promoting Derbyshire tea. I mean, what better way is there of promoting Derbyshire Day than with Derbyshire tea? And hence the fact I'm here. Had a great time, and while I've been here, I've been talking ghosts, and apparently they've got the ghost of a railway engineer that travels on one of the trains. They've got a derailment at Hazelwood and the ghost of the driver that's killed. So of course I'm planning straight away, we need to do a ghost train. I think we're going to call it Ghosts of the Valley with Richard Felix, and it's something different. We're going to do a dinner on the train, on the restaurant car, London, Midland and Scottish Railway restaurant car, and I'm going to do ghost stories. We're planning the date now. It will be hopefully this year during the winter. All I can say to you guys really is watch this space, because it'll be advertised everywhere. And all I can say is basically, cheers to Derbyshire Day.
And what better way to celebrate than coming to Derbyshire's longest heritage railway? Here's to you, EVR, and here's to Derbyshire. Join us next time as Halloween approaches and witches and wizards descend upon Wirksworth Station to catch the Wizarding Express, as Wirksworth Wizarding Day casts a spell over the town. And ghosts and ghouls take over the steam trains as our Halloween spooktacular, the ghost train through the countryside, sets off into the darkness. Join us next time on Beyond the Tracks.